Looking for home design inspiration? You're in the right place. Seriously, you guys, I just found the blueprint for my actual future dream house, and it's this kitchen. Wow, this is the ultimate modern Tudor organic vibe. And honestly, the color choice, it totally slays. We're talking about this absolutely insane deep indigo blue cabinetry contrasted with crisp, brilliant white marble. It's elegant, but still feels so fresh and lively. The ceiling height alone is a game changer. Look at those massive dark wood beams running across the 10-foot ceilings. They add so much warmth and that classic cozy Tudor dimension, you know? But then you look down and see that incredible oversized white marble island. It's at least 7 feet of pure prep heaven. They didn't just stop there. Check out the lighting. 3 huge bubbly seated glass globe pendants hang right above that island, making the whole space feel airy and bright. We all know the housing drama. Kitchens can get so cramped or cluttered, but this layout with perimeter cabinets and that giant island gives you storage for days. Plus, the brass hardware against the deep blue, perfection. It adds that little bit of luxury sparkle that this kitchen deserves. This room is beautiful, but I've saved the best part for last. Follow me.